itina ekhanyisa ba-chest itina and ash yabo de bathini sithini isilungu when you are in denial you tend to have anger in denial of losing, so you tend to have anger. That's how ubona ke kahle kahle ukuthi ama in denial lo muntu uya accept nomandla wabezitha. Hawu hayi mina yebo khanyisa marara athi ngihambe khona umuntu engimfilayo. Ungangitsheli ungenzi kanje lo. Hawu emhlole kabani awujoyi mina uyelo uyanyamalala lapha ku invite yami. Where are you from? I'm from David Uvutha. Khambani sani? Akuhambi ne? Ayikho into engahamba vele.
Ngikoshile wena mina.
Yeah, slow. Mina ngibathanda abantu bama-2G. Maqeda wena uzongisniper later on.
Angisniper ngoba bengisniper. Ngisniper nje ngoba bengidlula ngidlala. Angisafuni nami ukudlala nawe.
Uthi kwenze njani? Speak out loud man mina man. Hawu.
Nami angisafuni.
Ngaphumela emazinyweni.
Ngithi nami angisafuni ukudlala nawe.
Manje
You're
mina
not
what you
gonna do
think?
that to me and then you act like nothing happened. You need to apologize. If you're not apologizing, I'm gonna leave you, Camus, and I'm never gonna play with you ever again.
Who should apologize when ulate uthatha ixesha lakho wena?
Umuntu late ngami. Awuqali. I was late nge5 minutes. It was not even
Akekho
5.
umuntu obalate nami ngipunctual. Ngipunctual mina. I respect everybody's time.
Mina nawe asifani Kamuso. Mina nawe nje asifani. Ngiyintombazana ungumfana.
Punctuality.
Kamuso, I had things to do, but I managed to make it.
Okay, lalela ke. Okay, bheka ke. Ngiyatshela hard mfethu.
Hard and fethu. Is that how you apologize? You know hard.
Okay, I'm sorry. This is my deepest what? But it comes from the heart. I'm very sorry.
Kamuso, apologize right. Go apologize if you have to apologize. If you don't want to apologize, you can disconnect yourself.
Apologize lani kahle. Okay, wo apologize lani mina ngicela ungitshele my mistake and then nami ngizokutshela ukuthi okay.
So you don't know what she So you don't know what she did, Kamuka. Okay, so you know
Ufuna ukureplace. Ngathi ngabona ukuthi yazi akekho serious ke uJoy.
Okay, angikho serious forever Kamuso, leave me alone because kuyacaca ukuthi you're not patient and bewungafuna ukudlala nami. You had your plans also. Akukhonakala ukuthi usofumana i-replacement within 2 minutes Kamuso. Ukhohlakele. Alright. You're not gonna treat me as a second option. Hamba ufuna umunye umuntu. Ngiyahamba manje ngireplace manje ngireplace ufuna ungireplace ngiyahamba.
Listen to me. Nene. Hardy.
You know hard.
Okay, I'm sorry, ne. Mara ngixolisela okay bheka, bonjour bheka ngilanda ngeSpanish. Bonjour, bon appetit. Appetit.